How you like it?
Oh, go backwards!
Oh shit. Backwards.
Kicking this shit like Miyagi. Niggas need this to keep that shit from around me. They don't keep talking, I know they gon' down me. That boy wet like a napkin from Bounty. Torn this shit down, why the fuck is you shouting? Got a new chain, but your diamond look cloudy. Still on the road, bitch, I'm still in the county. 2, 3, 3 shots and some shots from the Audi.
Anyway, so in my backyard, right, y'all, I got this big old hornet nest, and I'm sick of it. We trying to ride the bikes, and we can't even go around because the hornet nest is sitting right here. And when you go around, the hornets is trying to get us, bro. So, yeah, we finna go get them, man.
Got him! Got him!
Hey, Walker on the top, running through the block.
Damn, look at that, just melted my glove touch. I guess you got dang won the race.
We're going to put this 125 out.
Yeah, man, I blew up the PPR. Not really. Spark plug. I think I cracked it, putting it too tight.
Step by this power, come on with it. Be a road, which one on my wrist?
I don't think I could go through that. I did go fast.
You about to go race on these. I want to see how fast you go.
Covered in diamonds, covered in D's. Step up my class, I might check up the season. So many ways, switch them up for no reason. So many hands, I don't think that it's cheating. Got on my back, but don't tell them I'm eating. Got what this range if I catch them as speeding. SRT right on the engine, I'm leaving. Bitch, with the money, little nigga, we feed. Switch up the ball, the AP, I'm free. Got her, I had her, don't want to switch up on it. Step by this spot, which car I'ma whip. AP the roller, which one on my wrist? All of these bitches, which one I'ma get? Which one? 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 Like switch it up, baby. Switch it up, baby. Hellcat or the Raven. Like yeah, BJ. Too many racks, gotta switch spots up on the safe one. Which one? 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 Which one?
How you like it? Faster than the other one, feel like?
Really, nigga?
You're slithering.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
You good? Don't worry about the bike. Is your hands good? Is your wrist good? Is your fingers good?
I jumped off.
Me too. That pipe had zipped me. And I was just about to look. All right, you pick it up.
Try to go bust it down right now. I ain't gonna play with these niggas.
Alright, y'all, so it's day 2, man. Yeah, man. We back out here. I done got that hornet nest down. Yes. I finally. Well, my kids knocked it down. The kids are knocked the nest down, y'all. I hope they don't come back. I hope it's dead. What y'all like, man? Y'all tell me out there in the world, man. My boy Stone Mountain, Moto, he's sponsored that Super Shine, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna try that out. My boy Elite GT put me on the spray 9, so we're gonna see, man. I'm gonna hit on with both them guys. Hey, you know, see what it do. Got the YZ clean. I'm gonna put the grip on the other side. That wasn't too big. We finna clean up the CRF, throw the new grip on him too, cause I got a rider like that right there. My boy got that getting back on the TTR. He trying to fix it. I blew that spark plug out of there last night. We don't know what's going on with that, so you always wanna dig.
So I need your shovel. Where is your shovel, Daddy? Hey guys, this is my daddy, and this is my mommy, and that's my little window. And that's the car.
You know what to do with this.
Like, and I jump through it too. It's my turn now. No, it's my turn. I can hold that.
Bruh.
Dang, day 1 soup. I just seen your text message right now talking about some people there and more coming. When you see this video, you'll see where I was way down before you restarted, before you try to go from there. That's how you started. Okay. Flick it up, foot. Like the poke in the back of your calf muscle and shit. Not going nowhere.
Better not break my bike.
back brakey. Nah. Oh, okay, we're gonna see. I thought when she stopped, she was gonna. I was just telling you. Get the brake.
Why is money running the bike?
Alright, let me see.
Why is money running the bike?
This girl done took off on the damn trail. Yeah, be easy right now. Yeah, what you gonna do? Oh shit. Yeah, remember, that gas gonna take your ass.
What?
Yeah, it's just like I got a feel for it type of thing.
Yeah. Man, see you messing up the jump, bro, being too anxious. Uh-oh, she done hit the rut. Oh shit, that girl done got dang hit the rut. Yeah, it's definitely good. I trained her on this before I put on that YZ.
Put her on the YZ.
Lord no.
Yeah.
She was revving the throttle this way. Oh Lord, she got in the trenches. Oh Lord. Oh shit. Oh shit. Back brake.
He needs some milk.
See?
Nope.
She hit that front brake. Grab the brake and don't twist the throttle. I just told y'all where I said she was headed. To the trenches. It get real when you start going down here, you see a tree, your brain start panicking. Always remember, come off the gas and step down. That bitch gon' stop. I see a whole body print right here. Oh, listen. Look at her. It happens, y'all. She got her first bike life spin out of the way. And there it is. Once you fall, get back up and ball. Well, she ain't do too bad. Usually everybody who gets on a pit bike their first time usually falls. At least you ain't doing what my boy Dalton did.
Bruh.
Y'all see how crooked that wheel is?
Bruh.
Oh my.
Dalton went and hit the tree and bent the whole goddamn frame on the bike.
Tree. No, that was fun.
Right there in that same spot. I told y'all that spot. What I told y'all when she was heading over there. I said she headed to the trenches. Headed to the tree, cause it's a lot of leaves down there. We ain't rake it out. That's why I wanna go to Home Depot and get a rake. You barely use the front brake, period. It's always back brake. When you hit the brakes, it's gonna stop the back. When you go through a turn like that, as soon as you touch the front brake, the bike gonna go boom. So that's what you did. You hit that brake
Okay.
and slid out. That's all.
Noted.
Yeah, y'all see what's going on. The TTI still sitting down from yesterday. Y'all want to see me on that YZ? That thing crispy.
I'm addicted now.
That thing crispy. Imagine y'all if she'd be on that YZ going around that corner.
Yeah, I was trying to do the groove, but yeah, I was trying to be used to the wrong way of braking. Well, not the wrong way, but the technical way.